Lactalis are a French-owned company, over 270 sites worldwide, a few sites in the UK, and the main production base is in France and Europe. Roughly 85,000 employees across the globe, and we are the largest dairy producer in the world. This site's based in Stranraer. We produce cheddar, roughly 32,000 tonnes a year, and our milk intake is around about 1 million litres a day. So we had two 11-tonne boilers and one 16-tonne boiler. Roughly the two smaller boilers were 30 years old and the larger boiler was upwards of 38, nearly 40 years old. Really, they were coming to the end of the life. They were becoming high maintenance and they were inefficient. Steam production on site is pivotal to our manufacturing process for both producing our products and also for cleaning. So any significant losses of steam or steam production can really impact the site in a negative way. Out of the 3 tenders that we had for this project, Bosch came out both on top of efficiencies, best available technology, and also the UK support base as well is very good. From the outset, we've had a project team on the Bosch side of things, driving the project forward on site from the initial concept to what you see in the background as the completion of the project. The project team at Bosch have been involved since day one, right from conception to final installation and commissioning. The thing that stands out for me is the whole coordination of the project. Bosch really led in that respect. We've had regular meetings, we meet almost on a weekly basis.
Bosch has been manufacturing industrial boilers for 150 years, so we have many years of experience in this. But we do more than just creating highly efficient boiler and boiler modules. We also do the full turnkey package. In this case, we have gone from the very early stages of the project where the customer identified that they needed a new boiler. The boilers were broken, they'd stopped working, and they were also looking for some efficiency savings. So we were able to look at both the design of the boiler house, the pipe work, the calculations required, but also look at the equipment that they could benefit from that would give them the efficiency savings that they needed. In this case, we are able to offer 20% efficiency savings compared to their old boiler systems.
Obviously, when you see the Bosch boilers in comparison with the ones that were on site, there is no comparison, and certainly the efficiencies and the longevity of the factory will be enhanced by having the Bosch boilers.
We're already seeing some really good trends on our gas usage, so the gas usage is coming down, and we're seeing the same thing with our water usage as well.